So guys, let's come to the third part of this video. So these are the parts we need to do the handle. This is the main hand. These are the two top. These are the two top, and this is the center that will be sewed to this, and this is our rope we need. This is the big rope. So the handle, if you want to make it, you make this is 9 by 3 inch. You fold it this way. You make sure it's two-way. Then you fold it this way as well for you to get the shape of the handle. Then you make sure it's like this, the way I fold it this way. Then you start cutting. You cut from the top first. You cut the top because you don't want it to lose the shape when you are trying to cut the two together because of the scissors. And you cut this, you follow the first one as well. So this is now our handle. This is what we want our handle to look like. This is wasted, you throw it into dustbin. So let's go to sewing it and you see what we are trying to do now. So guys, let's start this right away without delay. So you may be wondering what is this? This is the phone that will be inside the handle. So you want to make your hand to be like this. Then you fold this to how you want it to be. We are using this as well to give it the padding we want. You fold it this way, then you start sewing. You don't want to waste time. So you make sure to balance it where the way I'm struggling to balance it now, because you want it to look nice and sew where you actually want it to sew. If not so, the handle won't be okay, and the padding or the foam you put inside won't be balanced. You have to balance this. I think we cut this away. It's more than what we need. Beware, as I say, you have to balance this way. If you are not balancing it well, it won't give you what you really want. Then you cut this off. So this is our handle. As you can see, this is it. So the next thing you want to do is you carry this 6.3, 6 by 3. This is 6 by 3. You want to put this at the center. You make sure you look for where this is, the top. That's what I mean. Then you want to start sewing. You put this way. You stitch. By the way, I just prefer to start it like this, but before you start, you make sure you put this at the center for it not to give you headache or what you don't want in the bag. This is how I want it to be. Then you sew through it to the end. You cut this off. Then you do the same thing to the second side as well. So you be careful and just go along with what you are trying to do and what you have in mind. You know, I'm cutting a little bit of the foam off because of where I want it to sew. I don't want it to be too heavy. So I'm going to do what I did in the first place as well, for me to double stitch this place, this angle, before I insert the end. Stop right there, and I put this in place and I start sewing. So this is what we need. This is the shape we need. As you can see, for the handle, this is the shape we need, and we are getting there little by little. So the next thing you want to do is the other side we measure, which is the 11 by 3. 11 by 3 is the 2 that is going to be on this way. So you don't have much thing to do here other than to just put this at the top. You look at the under, you make sure it went in very well the way you want it to be, then you sew this on it. You double stitch, make it go the way you want it to be. You are going to sew it in two sides so that to give it that stability you want. Then the other side, you do the same thing to this other side as well. You take it inside the way you want this to be. You make sure it's accurate. If you would like, you measure with your tape to get the accuracy, but I prefer not to do that because I know what I'm looking for and what I must do to get what I need. Double stitch at the end and you turn it so to where you want it to be. So this is the handle. As you can see, this is what we have been trying to do since, and this is the our achievements so far. On this video, this is what we just do, and we will see you in the next one.